Hey guys, what's up? It's Frederick here again. Something interesting really happened. Justin from SABRENT reached out to me a month ago and asked if I was interested in testing this bad boy. This is the SABRENT Voltic 252 watts 8-port charger. And when he reached out to me, I was like, yeah, of course. I would like to test something like this because on my desk, I don't have any power delivery charger. This thing outputs 252 watts. So think about it. It is a very, very, very good device. And I want to say a very big thank you to SABRENT for sponsoring this video. If you like the video you just watched, consider subscribing, clicking on the notification bell, and liking my videos. So if I post any videos in the future, you'll be the first to know. I'll give you guys a very quick unboxing of this SABRENT 252 watts 8-port charger.
On my chest, I guess that my shoulder is all you get. When you moved around, yeah, that's where it all fell, to the ground, baby. And you like to move in silence, baby, so do I. This could either be hell or a paradise. Talking to your friends, baby, so do I. About you. We both know it's too late. I forgot I lied to you. We both know it's too late. I forgot I lied to you. Who said we can't forget even if it don't last? Baby, when I get up in it, you forget the past. I'll make sure to call.
Let's talk about the design and build. The first thing you notice is once you pick this thing up, you realize that it is plastic, but the plastic is a very high grade polycarbonate plastic, which doesn't feel cheap at all. And it is commonly found in electronic devices just because it is very lightweight and heat resistant. The charger has a compact rectangular desktop design, so it sits nicely on your desk without taking too much space. The edges are slightly rounded, giving it a modern and clean look that fits well with most desk setups. On the front, you have 8 charging ports, which are neatly arranged. 4 which are USB-Cs and 4 of them are USB-A ports, along with a built-in LCD screen. This LCD display is colored and shows charging information in real time. The display itself is protected by a clear panel and it is bright enough to read easily while you are sitting at your desk. Another important design detail is the ventilation system. There are small vents built into the charger that help dissipate heat when multiple devices are plugged at the same time. This helps maintain performance and keeps the charger running safely. Overall, the build quality feels reliable and well engineered, which is exactly what you want from a charger that can deliver 252 watts of maximum power. The design is simple, functional, and clearly made for people who want a clean and organized charging setup on their desk. Now, let's talk about the power this thing delivers. This charger delivers up to 252 watts of total power across all the 8 ports. That's a lot of power for a desktop charging station. The USB-C ports can deliver up to 100 watts, which is powerful enough to charge many laptops. So you can charge things like a laptop, tablet, smartphone, or even gaming devices from these ports. The USB-A ports support up to 18 watts each, which is perfect for accessories like earbuds, smart watches, or older phones. To test it out, I plugged in several devices at the same time to see if it would work. I had a laptop, a phone, a tablet, and a few other small devices connected. The charger handled everything without any problem. One thing I also liked was I really liked being able to watch the LCD display the power levels as each device started charging. Another nice feature is that this charger supports smart charging technology, which means it can automatically adjust the power depending on the device that's plugged in. This helps charge devices faster while also keeping them very safe. Overall, this charger is really useful if you have a lot of devices on your desk. Instead of having multiple power bricks and cables everywhere, you can just plug everything into one charging station, which is this SABRENT beast. One thing to keep in mind is that the full 252 watts output is shared amongst all the devices you have plugged in. It doesn't go to one single port. And also, this charger is mainly for desktop setups, so it's not something you would really want to be carrying around. But you know what? I did. I tried to see if it will fit in my life, and I'll give you a little snippet so you understand what I mean. One USB-C port has a maximum of 100 watts. So if you're using one USB-C port at a time, like a single USB-C port slotted in, it gives you 100 watts. If you use two USB-C ports, the power becomes 125 watts for both of the ports. So that means 125 divided by 2, which is 62.5 per port. With the USB-A ports, each port's maximum power is 18 watts. If you're using two ports at once, that's 36 watts. So 36 divided by 2 is 18. When I plug my MagSafe cable for my laptop, my M1 Pro, it normally charges at 91 watts. It never really goes beyond 91 watts. When my MacBook reaches 100%, the device automatically reduces the power from 91 watts to around 6 and 10 watts. It's a very good thing. That means it's still not fully charging my MacBook, which could lead to battery deterioration. Many smartphones nowadays supports PPS. So once you plug the charger into the smartphone, it communicates with the smartphone and delivers the actual amount of juice needed to top up the battery. The charging cable that came with it is very, very good. It looks very solid. Sometimes I go to Starbucks and you realize that all the plugs they have are fully in use. What this thing can do is you just pick 3 powerful USB-C cables, you pick this guy up, and then you plug just one single charger to one of Starbucks wall slots, and you have 252 watts on the go. For example, I'll charge my Lenovo Legion Go, I'll charge my PS Portal, and then I'll be charging my laptop on the side. I'll still charge my smartphone as well. In terms of size, this charger is actually pretty compact. It measures about 4.6 inches long and 2.9 inches wide, and just over 2 inches tall. And it weighs about 1.6 pounds, which gives it a nice solid feel and helps keep it stable when you plug multiple cables into it. Not to forget, it actually has a power button to power it on and to power it off. When you press it once, it changes to the voltages. For example, all the ports are named. So the first USB-C port is called C1A, the second USB-C port is C1B, the third USB-C port is C2A, and then the fourth USB-C port is C2B. If I plug a device to C1A and I press the power button, it is going to display the voltage, the current, the temperature, and the time. Let's talk about the price of this SABRENT desktop charger. Currently, it retails for $89.99 US on Amazon. Converting that to Canadian dollars is 124 Canadian dollars. SABRENT has given me a discount code to give to you guys. Anybody who's purchasing on Amazon, just type this discount code in the coupon section and you're going to get 10% off. And it's only valid for a month. So at the time of me uploading this video, till a month. Other third-party stores also sell these, but in order to get the 10% discount, you actually need to buy it from Amazon. I'll put the link to this product in my description so you guys can just click on it and then go straight and then buy it on Amazon. I am really happy SABRENT sent this out to me because they are officially the very first company to actually reach out to me and send a product to me for testing. And you know what the amazing part is? I get to keep this as well. So I really want to say thank you to SABRENT. You guys have given me a very good opportunity to test your product and continue on my YouTube channel. I'm very, very grateful that you guys were able to see through the perfection of the videos I create to send this out to me. If you've been able to enjoy the video to this point, I want you to take time to like the video, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. So if I post any video, you'll be the first person to get it. Liking and subscribing to the channel really helps me grow. And I want to say a very big thank you to SABRENT once again. Thank you so much, Justin Dale. I'll catch you guys in the next one.